Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is December 15th, 2024, and we're tackling the USDCAD pair, which has seen significant movement recently. Let's start by looking at recent news and market events to provide some context. Recent reports from various sources such as FX Street and Investing.com indicate a strong bullish trend in USDCAD. Many analysts predict the USDCAD pair to continue its upward trajectory, targeting levels near 1.4391. Some news outlets highlight the divergent Canadian and U.S. economic outlooks as a significant factor influencing the loonie's decline. However, markets are currently taking a breather ahead of the next week's Federal Open Market Committee (FOMC) meeting. Now, let's switch to the daily chart for USDCAD to get a broader perspective of the price action. As you can see, the price has been steadily increasing for the last several weeks, indicating a strong bullish trend. We can observe several key support levels that have held the price up during periods of consolidation. Major support is present around the 1.35 level, with stronger support near 1.33. There have been brief periods of consolidation, but the overall trend remains bullish. The 1.40 level has acted as resistance in the past, and we will be closely watching for a potential breakout. Let's zoom in on the 1-hour chart and take a closer look at some recent price movements. Here, we can see more detailed fluctuations with some intraday reversals. Notice the sharp rise in price over the past few days, which corresponds with the news suggesting an upward trend. However, there have been brief periods of consolidation where the price traded sideways before resuming its upward movement. We can also spot some instances of support and resistance levels within this time frame. Support is currently found around the 1.39 to 1.40 range, while resistance appears to be near the 1.42 level. For a more granular view, let's examine the 15-minute chart. This chart reveals even smaller price fluctuations within the day's session. We see a lot of volatility, so identifying short-term support and resistance becomes even more critical. Short-term traders will need to pay close attention to these levels and adjust their strategies accordingly. The overall direction aligns with what we are seeing in the longer time frames. It's essential to understand that short-term price movements can be very unpredictable. In summary, USDCAD has exhibited a strong bullish trend in recent times. The 1.33 to 1.35 zone presents a significant support zone on the daily chart. 1.40 acted as resistance in previous timeframes but shows signs of a potential breakout. On the hourly chart, intraday support is visible around 1.39 to 1.40, with resistance near 1.42. These are just potential observations based on the present data, and further analysis is crucial for accurate future projections. The upcoming FOMC meeting next week could significantly impact USDCAD's trajectory. A hawkish stance from the Fed could further strengthen the US dollar, leading to more gains in USDCAD. Conversely, a dovish stance might trigger a reversal. The 1.4391 level stands as a potential target if the bullish trend continues. Always remember that these are just predictions and various factors can impact the market. Manage your risk appropriately.